welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies. Just basic homemade chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so we got 2 sticks of butter. We got a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a fourth of a teaspoon of some salt, which I have kosher salt, some vanilla. We're going to use like a tablespoon of vanilla. I got 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2/4 cup of flour. And we're going to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies. And I forgot 2 eggs. Yes, we're going to be using 2 eggs. And these are 2 large eggs, guys. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to cream our sugar and butter together. And I was trying to soften it. So I'm just going to put it in my hand, try to, give a little body temperature, soften it just a bit. And this is unsalted butter. But you can use salted butter if that's what you have. In there. And I'm using a paddle attachment today. Okay. All right. So it's starting to get nice and creamy. So I'm going to gradually add my sugar. So I added the white sugar first. And while this is creaming, I'm going to go ahead and add my baking soda and salt to my flour. I'm going to start adding my brown sugar. And this makes 24 to 32 cookies, depending on how big your cookies are. And I love the paddle attachment that's got the scraper on it. I don't even have to scrape my bowl. Alright. So now I'm going to add my eggs. I add one at a time on low speed. Turn it up just a tad. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. You can measure it out. Take a spoon and gradually add my flour. I'm just going to gradually add that flour, mixture with the baking soda and salt. And you can add walnuts or pecans to this if you like. You add some walnuts, some sliver almonds. So I just like to take my spoon and slowly add my flour to this mixture. This batter is turning out so wonderful, guys. So wonderful. And we're almost there. Just got a little bit left. I don't understand why this thing is jumping. And my husband look at this. What's going on with my mixer? All right. So that dough, I'm just gonna scrape this off, and we're gonna add our chocolate chips. We're gonna add 1 cup. You can add 2 if you like, depending on how many chocolate chips you like. If you like a lot, add 2 cups. This is really the base of any good cookie, like except sugar cookies and snickerdoodle. Snickerdoodle and sugar cookies starts off the same way. I'm gonna start with a cup and see how I feel about these chocolate chips. You know what? I'm gonna throw them all in there. Why not? It's like a cup and a half. Okay. And we just gonna get them mixed in. Nothing fancy, just a basic chocolate chip cookie, guys. Whew. I'm just scraping them off. Scraping it off my beater. And this is a really good cookie dough. Now, if you want, you can refrigerate this. If you don't want these many cookies, you can, split this in half. If you want more cookies, you can double the recipe. So, totally up to you guys how much chocolate chip cookies you guys want to make. My kids are chocolate chip fans. Alright, so it didn't take no time at all to make these cookies. So now that the dough is done, I'm letting y'all get a good look at this chocolate chip cookie dough. So now you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're going to bake these for 13 No more than 15 minutes. It depends on your oven and everything. But 13 minutes should do you. So get as much cookie dough out and just roll them into a ball and just set them in here. Get as much cookie dough. Try to make it even to the size of the cookie you want. It's going to spread, so try your best to spread them apart so they don't stick. So give them some space and just keep balling them up. And if you got a cookie scoop, use those. Alright, so I'm gonna get one more on here. So I think I got 8 cookies on here. Alright, 2, 4, 6, 8 on here. So we'll be back. Alright, so the cookies are done. These actually made 28 cookies this size, right? So look at those. Those are beautiful cookies. Look at that. So look at that. They still a little warm, but crispy on the outside. Oh. Mm. 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 These are delicious. Mm. Oh my goodness. Make these cookies. Best thing you ever made. Mm. Look, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.